Do you know what the hardest part about trading is? It's not entries, it's not strategy, it's not even risk management. It's waking up and doing the exact same thing every single day without losing your mind. Because let's be honest, consistency isn't sexy. You can't flex discipline on Instagram. No one's posting, "Look guys, I journaled my emotions again." But here's the thing. It's the only skill that separates traders who last from the ones who keep restarting their challenges every Monday. So in this video, I will show you my daily trading routine. The one that keeps me consistent, grounded, and calm, even when the market's trying to rip my head off. No fancy indicators, no nonsense, just habits that actually work. Alright, mornings. First thing, I don't wake up at 4 a.m. I'm not that grind harder than everyone kind of guy. But I do wake up early enough to have at least one quiet hour before I even think about charts. The first 15 minutes, no phone, no Discord, no charts, no messages, just tea and silence, which is rare because my brain's usually screaming, check the charts, maybe the NQ broke the structure, maybe you missed the entry. But that's the first battle of consistency, controlling your urges before they control you. Then I journal, but not in a "Dear Diary, Nasdaq broke my heart again" kind of way. I just write down 3 simple things: how I feel, what I expect today, and what I will do if the market doesn't cooperate. And that's it. Takes 5 minutes, but it saves me from overtrading more than any risk management rule ever did. Because when your mind starts calm, your trades reflect that calm. But if you wake up in chaos, guess what your chart looks like? Exactly, chaos. The goal is to win the morning, not the market. You win the market after you've won your mind. Next is chart preparation. This is where 90% of traders lose hours. They'll never get back. They open their chart and suddenly it looks like a child's drawing. Lines everywhere, Fibonacci rainbows, 10 different zones. And then they freeze when it's time to actually execute. For me, it's simple. I open the higher time frame, daily or 4-hour, and mark my key levels. Then zoom in, plan 1 or 2 possible scenarios. That's it. Not 6, not 10, just 2 ways the market could behave. Because the more plans you have, the less likely you will follow any of them. I screenshot my setup, write a 1-sentence plan in my journal. Something like, if the price rejects this level, I will wait to structure, break to short. And that's the end of the preparation. I don't stare at it for 45 minutes, wondering my trend line is perfectly symmetrical. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is readiness. Preparation gives you confidence. Over preparation gives you paralysis. And look, when you sit down with a clear plan, trading becomes boring. And that's exactly how it should be. The market rewards patience, not panic. Now, during the actual trading session, I've got one rule. If I'm bored, I'm doing it right. Because when trading gets too exciting, you're not trading anymore. You're gambling. I used to crave excitement. I'd chase every candle that moved more than 5 pips. I thought being active meant being productive. Spoiler, it didn't. These days I trade only one session, usually London or New York. 1 to 3 setups max. And that's it. I put on lo-fi music, maybe something chill in the background. And I just wait, sometimes 4 hours. And when I'm done, I'm done. Even if I'm slightly down. Even if I didn't trade at all. Because consistency isn't about how much you make. It's about how quickly can you stop when the day is over. You don't have to win every day. You just have to stay in the game long enough to collect the wins that matter. And here's the part 99% of traders skip. Review. After trading, I don't just close the charts and disappear. I take 5 minutes and write down what happened, what went right, and what went wrong. Did I follow my plan or not? And if I didn't, it's usually because I thought I was smarter than my system. Which, trust me, I'm not. Then I ask myself one question. What emotions did I trade with today? That question alone has saved me from blowing more accounts than any risk management rule. Because when you know what emotions drives your trades, you finally start to control your behavior instead of being controlled by it. Once that's done, I walk away. No obsession over missed trades. No zooming out to see what would have happened, because the market will still be there tomorrow. My focus won't, unless I protect it. And that's how you end the day professionally, not emotionally. So yeah, that's my daily trading routine. It's not flashy, it's not cinematic, but it keeps me consistent, calm, and focused. And that's what matters. Everyone wants to know what keeps traders profitable. But the truth, it's not the strategy, it's the structure. Tiny, repeatable, boring habits done every single day that build trust with yourself. And when you trust yourself, the charts start trusting you back. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and check out my video, The Ugly Side of Prop Firms No One Tells You. It will connect a lot of what I said here. And hey, let me know in the comments what part of your trading day you struggle with most. Maybe I will turn it into a future video.